So we're gonna be using tequila, of course. 2 shots of tequila. You know, if you get an extra shot in there, I mean...
Well, there's 2 of us, so there better be 4 shots of tequila.
Oops. Hold on. Oh, okay, then it's like 1 part lime juice.
Per drink, so put 2 parts in there. Because you're making 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see how bossy I am?
I mean, and then we're gonna be using tangerine juice. Tangerines are so good right now.
Fresh tangerine. So it's a tangerine or Rita spritzer.
Yeah.
Delicious.
So we got that. So got that in there. We're gonna do a little bit of agave.
A natural sweetener.
Yep. Boom. And that's it.
Shake it up.
We're gonna shake it up. I feel like, wait, you know, look, cocktail. I'm like Tom Cruise in Cocktail.
You look like John.
I know, right? I look like your husband.
He looks like John shaking it up in the kitchen.
Extra ice for Miss Rachel.
Oh my God, can we try this?
Yeah, let's try it.